I have an American Standard communicating thermostat with 3 wires labeled DR and B. I bought a new Honeywell Wi-Fi thermostat that insists that I have a C wire. I determine the right wiring pattern.
Welcome. We keep going until you have all of the information you need. Extensive training and coaching also available. The two systems are not compatible. An American Standard communicating thermostat is married to its counterpart inside the American Standard furnace and air handler on the basis of proprietary electronics and firmware. The attempt to fit that Honeywell thermostat to your American Standard system is a bit like trying to put a perfectly good electronics control module from a motorcycle into your car to control the motor. The Honeywell RTH9580WF Wi-Fi thermostat is a standard thermostat with switch contacts inside that will indeed operate most AC systems. However, it will not operate proprietary communicating thermostat systems that are not switched, but communicate electronically with the furnace/air handler of the American Standard system. The Honeywell thermostat comes with paperwork and a phone number you can call to confirm that specific detail. American Standard does, however, have its own Wi-Fi, communicating type thermostat that will work on most of their systems. It will take me some work and back and forth discussion with you to assist in selecting it. Click here please if you appreciate this advice that will save you considerable heartburn. Please take the time to rate my work, it's how I earn a living. In exchange I will work with you on selecting the right thermostat.
Thanks. Can you help me find the right thermostat?
Hello again. Unless you have many separate controlled heating and cooling zones in your house, very unlikely, and one every frill available on the market, a great expense, I recommend the thermostat at the link below. Click here, it should be on the market by now. Use the Find a Dealer link on that page. Tell me how that works. This is their most economical option in the Wi-Fi enabled, communicating a calling thermostat that you need. Tell me exactly what the dealer says. You might want to call 2 of the dealers in your area. Tell each one that the price is more than you would like to pay and ask if they have another option in a Wi-Fi enabled, a calling thermostat. We can go from there. Thanks for the excellent rating.
Excellent, Bill. Great info.
Thanks. Leave the question open so you can let me know how it goes. No need to respond to or acknowledge this note until then.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.